If you're looking to add Shiny Ekans or Shiny Arbok to your Shiny Living Dex, this is a great easy way to hunt down Shiny Ekans for that. Let's hop in. As always, we're heading to our options and making sure our autosaves are turned to off, just so we don't accidentally lose the Shiny. Once your autosaves are for sure turned to off, we are going to back out and we are going to hard save as well. So that way we can come back to this point if our sandwich does not work out. Coming in here to make a sandwich, we're gonna do the rice drop method. It's the quickest, it's the easiest. We're gonna do 1 rice, hop over here, grab 1 ketchup, down to 1 marmalade, and 2 salties. This is the quickest and easiest if you're willing to use up Salty Herba Mystica. If you do not want to use that Salty Herba Mystica, I made a video on how to make this exact sandwich without wasting any Herba Mystica. There's a card up above for that, but we drop this rice down, we drop this bread down, and we put the pick in this salty ketchup marmalade bread. Here we have it, our Tasty Matte Original, Poison, level 3, level 3, level 3, Sparkling Title Encounter. Let's get hunting. So to do this hunt, we're going to be in Kitakami, and we're going to come down here to the bottom right part of the map. You'll see this Fly Point Mossfell confluence, and we are going to come up here along the river just to the left and above this tree that we're going to put a marker down. Then we'll fly over to Mossfell. All right, now we're over here. We're going to hop on our ride Pokemon and ride along the river. And basically once we get here to the end of this rock, I know you can't see the mini-map because my face is blocking it. We're just gonna jump and glide on over. This is that tree that we're going just north of, and there we have it, our cave entrance. Now there's a chance when we enter that there won't be any Ekans. All right, there's 1, but 2 isn't terribly impressive. We're just gonna come back to this back corner, and then they start spawning everywhere. Alright, so then you're going to walk around here, let out your partner Pokemon to start taking them down, and then come back to this corner so they can keep spawning. Now this won't be an automatic respawn always. As you see, Gallade is already just chilling. Comes back, come back over here, send him out. Sometimes it will knock out 20 of them and then come back. Sometimes it knocks out none. But it's good to just have it going there. It's going to be automatically hunting. It will not take out your Shiny. So I'm going to just keep on going until we get a Shiny. Oh! Well, there's our first Shiny. It spawned where I hang out. Let's see. Let's save. And let's see how long that was. That was 5 minutes and 15 seconds for this first little snake to appear. Let's catch it. Alright, did not have shed skin, or at least it didn't activate it. Let's use a Premier Ball. It's asleep, 1 HP, and we get the Jiggle. Alright, first Shiny. I mean, plenty of time to hopefully get a second Shiny. Oh, is that another one? Weird. Weird the Gallade came back. I mean, they're what demonic Ekans snake stuff is going on here. They are protecting it. I guess Gallade will take out the other 2. There you go. Oh, no. Okay, alright. Got it separated from the batch and out of that other battle. Saved, and let's go ahead and encounter this little girl. Ooh, no, we want this one. There she is. And another Premier Ball. This one did have shed skin. And Jiggle. There we go. 2 Ekans caught, so now we got the Shiny Ekans and the Shiny Arbok. Love it. Alright, since we're in Kitakami, they're already pretty high level. We'll just give this one more level up to 60 from 59. And that will do the trick of getting it to evolve. So now we got our Shiny Green Snake turning into a Shiny Green Cobra. I mean, a Shiny Green Ekans turning into a Shiny Green Arbok. We know how to spell things backwards, don't we, Arbok? Yeah, you pretty girl. I love your little purple marks. There you have it. We have a Shiny Ekans and a Shiny Arbok. 1 sandwich for me. It might take a couple for you, but that cave is so easy. You just got to send out your partner Pokemon to be taking out the non-Shinies. And you do have to resend it out every now and then, so you do have to just pay a little bit of attention. But, it's pretty easy, even if it takes a couple sandwiches. Hi, you shiny girl. Yes, you're a good girl. And, yeah, but look at that. 2 Shinies from the same line. Both are knocked out now in the Shiny Living Dex. You love it. Comment how long it took for you to get yours. Hit the thumbs up button if this was helpful. Subscribe because I'm gonna do more. Let me know if there's a different specific Pokemon you want me to do one of these for. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.